Okay, so guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can download Windows 11 official ISO from the official Microsoft website. What you have to do is you have to just go to Google and search Windows 11 ISO download. When you search that, then you'll see the first link, which is the Microsoft link, guys. So just click on that link. When you click on that link, guys, it will show you the download Windows 11 page. You have to just, scroll down a little bit and you'll see the option called download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select the download edition. This is the multi edition ISO, so click on that. After that, you can just download now, guys. This will validate your request. Then it will require you to select the product language, and the language we are gonna select is English United States. Then after we do that, then we just click on confirm. When we click on confirm, it will again validate our request, and then you'll see it will show that the link is valid for 24 hours, and then you'll see the link button pop up right here, which is called 64-bit download. If I make it little smaller, then when we click on that, then you'll see it is asking me to download where. So I will just choose the location where I want the Windows 11 ISO to be. Then I can just click on save. Then the download will begin and it will download my ISO file, guys. This is how easy to install the latest Windows 11 ISO from the official Microsoft website.